You will receive an email in the beginning of the semester that includes a direct link to your TK20 binder so that you could bypass having to log in with a username and password. Please make sure to save this email so that you can access it throughout the semester and click on this link to go directly into your TK20 binder. So I would click on that link to go to my binder, and it will open up to look something like this. On the left-hand side of your TK20 binder is the student side. So this is what the student is going to submit throughout the semester in clinical practice. There's different tabs along the top. If you are interested in seeing what they submit for the candidate work sample, you could click on that tab and open up the file. Same with long range plan or any of the other assignments that you see listed here. You have access to view what they submit. On the right hand side is what you are going to submit, and you're also going to be able to see what the college supervisor submits. If you want more real estate on the right hand side, you could move this vertical line over to the left so that you have more room. On the top part, you will see links to what you need to submit as a college, as a cooperating teacher. And you have 4 observations as well as a cooperating teacher feedback survey at the end of the semester. Down below is what the college supervisor is submitting and which you have access to view. So you could see what they score, the intern, for their 4 observations, as well as the final and the midterm. So to go back up top, again, this is the section that you will have to complete. And when you first open up your binder, you'll see red flags for everything. But let's say you're ready to submit the scores for the 3rd observation. You would click on this link here, and it's going to open up to the SCTS 4.0 rubric. You could pick an observation date and the subjects taught if you'd like. And then you have access to the full rubric where you simply just click in the appropriate score for the rubric item selected. You could put comments over here on the right hand side, and then you would continue to scroll down to complete the rubric by simply clicking in the appropriate score. This is a lengthy rubric, so I'm not going to go through the entire thing, but when you get down to the bottom, you'll see that you have a grade field down here that you can skip and leave blank, and then all you need to simply do is hit complete once you're done. And then you'll see that you now have a date updated over here, and then that red flag disappears. So any of the red flags indicate items that you need to complete, and once you complete them, the flag will disappear. There are a few other steps that I will send you directions for at the end of the semester, but for the most part, this is a quick summary of it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My contact information will be in the email sent to you. Thank you.